County traffic, 786 Bravo Golf is about 5 mile final for runway 10.
Island traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, Catawba Point, inbound 3 Put-in-Bay.
Chop, drop, and stop.
I'm chopping.
Are we dropping?
A little bit. Fuel pump on, mixture rich. Put-in-Bay traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet's right base 3, Put-in-Bay.
Detroit Rock City.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Thule do.
Put-in-Bay traffic, Cherokee 4257 Juliet, turning final 3 Put-in-Bay.
Romeo traffic, 370 Lima, left base, runway 36.
Now today, see if you can make that stall light cherry red before you touch.
Okay.
I was reading an article on Bolt Method,
Yeah.
and it said what you do is challenge each other. See who can touch down the slowest when your tires hit. And it should be at stall speed.
Oh yeah. That's a good idea. I'll see what I can do right here. 500. We're right on the money.
Coming out of the sky like a freezer.
Oh. Come on. Come on down. Bumpity, bumpity, bumpity.
Bunch of trees.
Yikes.
Hold, get that horn on. Hold her way off. Hold her off.
On.
Hold her off. Hold her off.
Yeah. That was 65. Coyote fell off the stick.
I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to go in there.
Yeah. Got kind of squirrely at the end, didn't it?
Oh, not bad. I'd say you can taxi in there, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
You'll know as soon as you get off the pavement if it slows you down a whole lot, just throttle up and do a 180.
Okay.
Right there it is. Oh yeah.
We're good.
Now it's usually a little bit softer to the left of the well on this side when you go, so you probably have to throttle up more there.
You want to taxi it so you know where to...
Yeah, you got the throttle. I don't have any brakes.
Okay.
So. It's not bad at all. Go ahead and throttle up a little. I'd pull right straight so your wings pass my door. I'll let you get the brakes. Yeah, just get so the door can open. Right there. Perfect.